Hello, this is Russ, Salt Lake City Bicycle Collective, online at slcbikecollective.org. Also here on behalf of Expert Village. We're going to show you today how to adjust a threaded headset. There's often different sizes. In this particular situation, we're dealing with a 1-inch. There's also 1 1/8", so you want to make sure that if you're ever looking for new parts for your headset, that you're asking for the right size, because they do look very similar. You're going to need one bike-specific tool for this. If you have 2 of them, it makes it easier. Otherwise, you can also obtain a crescent wrench or something else for the top. It's really important that when you're using the tools on these that you don't slip and kind of maul the sides of them. They do have a tendency to round out relatively easily, and when you get to that situation, you're not going to be able to adjust it anymore. So the situation that we have here is that our headset here is pretty rattly and loose. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this and thread this bottom one down. You should be able to thread this one down by hand pretty easily. So you're looking for good rollability. This one right here is a little bit too tight, so we're going to come back off of it just a little bit, and you should have a situation where the handlebars move freely side to side pretty well. After you have that one located where you want it, you're going to want to hold that one in place with one wrench. It's a 32mm on the bottom. Sometimes it can be a 30, depends on how old your bike is. Could be a 36 if you're on a newer style bike. Then on the top, you're going to have another 32 on the top, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold the bottom one. This is much like doing a hub adjustment. Hold the bottom one into place and then thread the top one down a little bit. And I have my leg against the side of the wheel here so that the wheel doesn't move on me while I'm trying to do it. And you're just going to bring these 2 wrenches together till you get to the point where you have a proper adjustment. So right now it's just a little bit on the tight side, so what we're going to do is we're going to take and just back this one off again just a little bit and double check it again, see how it rolls. Still a little bit too tight. This is normally how it goes. So you're going to want to back it off again just a little bit. And we're just looking for that adjustment where it rolls nice and smooth like that. After you have everything adjusted, you want to double check and make sure that you have everything nice and tight on the top. This one will chronically come loose over time, so just want to bring those 2 wrenches together, make sure that it's nice and tight. Feel good about your adjustment there, and you're good to go. Riding no-handed down the road.